Welcome to my store.
What?
This one's just spraying out the hall.
Position them now, otherwise they're gonna stay like that.
Exactly.
Those ones are already full, you're not moving them.
Yeah, I can move them.
This one's like, you're gonna have to move them because this one's on a slant.
Yeah? I'll tell you on this one.
Yeah, but then the trim.
The trim's not.
There. Can I let this fish out? The yellow
Yeah.
one? What's that space for?
Well, I figure the space has to be someplace, so it might as well be there.
Why not make it at the very end?
And there already is a space. It gives us a certain symmetry.
Yeah, but then put it at the very end, and then that way there's more space because this bucket's going back at the end, and then that way it's easier to catch things from the end with. Just
The
saying.
difference of that far? I don't think so.
This one lifted up again.
Yeah, but when it gets water in it, it'll go down.
Okay, we'll put water back in the quarantine tank so we can leave.
Well, we still gotta fix up here.
Fix what?
This. Is this back on?
How did it go lower than where it sinks out?
We gotta clean the impeller on that thing. How did it go lower?
Yeah.
Because the tank adapter down there isn't tight.
Oh. Well, it's not going to be dripping water anymore yet, because, well, there's not enough water.
Yeah, but let's get it set up right from the start.
What are you doing?
Well, I increased the flow of water in all of these this morning, so it might have been another reason it kind of did that.
Why'd you do that?
Oh, you gotta adjust these every now and again. See, I put this up here last night with the activated carbon.
And you might have noticed that the tanks are a lot different colored. They're not yellow anymore because of lettuce.
Yeah, well.
Put water in the tank.
Yeah, put water in the quarantine tank.
Go ahead, I'm manning the camera.
No, I'll run the camera.
No, it's okay.
I'm fine.
But you gotta put that water in there.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta move it over though. Where are you putting the quarantine tank?
It's down there already. It's back
Down
there.
where?
Back there.
I don't see it.
Okay, set the camera down for a second. Let's do something easy.
We're both gonna
We're just
carry
gonna
it.
pick this up and set it up there. Okay, grab the other side of this. And we'll set it up here. Okay, you ready? Nope. There's the tank, you definitely can grab that. You realize that's about almost 200 pounds of water? It's good to have a boy.
It is.
Now, get the python. Now take it around. Get the python.
Where's the pipe?
Down there. It was over there.
Oh, the really dirty one?
No, the long one. Was that the long one? Oh, I thought you were the camera. Okay. Is that the python?
Well, it's a python.
Okay, well that'll work. Give me the python. Give me the end. Shove it through. Shove it through as far as you can. Okay. It fell off. Aaron, give me the hose. Come on, come on. We got it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to siphon the water over.
Ready?
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay, start her up. So we got the hose here, and we're going to siphon it over. And, oh wow, look at the fish.
It didn't start.
Well, you didn't suck it long enough. Keep going. You got a whole bunch of hose. Just keep going until the water comes down. Look at the hose. And when the water comes down through it, is it started? Yeah? Is water coming out of it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Positive.
He's positive. I don't see any water. Where's the water? Oh, there's the water.
You just knocked the fish off almost.
Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, so that's it. We got our new little individual tank system. It's all those cracks, brokes, leaks, etc. The water's going to go through those overflows and into this wooden box, and that way they can't fight. Okay? So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, so now this is the system all done up. The water's coming in each tank. And overflowing. Okay? So that's how you make a system out of old, cracked, broken, leaky tanks. And look at the hospital tank almost set up. Okay, bye-bye.